animals. Let's start with animals that begin with E. Elephant. The largest land animal. Elephant. Eagle. A powerful bird of prey. Eagle. Eel. A long, slippery fish. Eel. Emu. A large, flightless bird. Emu. Elk. A deer with large antlers. Elk. Ermine. A small white weasel. Ermine. Echidna. A spiny egg-laying mammal. Echidna. Egret. A graceful wading bird. Egret. Earthworm. Helpful garden creatures. Earthworm. Earwig. A small garden insect. Earwig. Everyday objects. Egg. Envelope. Eraser. Engine. Easel. Earmuffs. Elbow. Eye. Ear. Egg cup. Emotions and feelings. Excited. Feeling enthusiastic. Eager. Looking forward to something. Embarrassed. Feeling shy or awkward. Exhausted. Very tired. Energetic. Full of energy. Enthusiastic. Very excited about something. Ecstatic. Extremely happy. Envious. Wanting what others have. Empathetic. Understanding others' feelings. Elated. Filled with joy. Food and eating. Eggplant. A purple vegetable. Eclair. A French pastry. Enchilada. A Mexican dish. Edamame. Young soybeans. Endive. A leafy vegetable. Espresso. Strong coffee. Escargot. Cooked snails. Elderberry. Small dark berries. Eggnog. A holiday beverage. English muffin. A breakfast bread. Action words. Eat. To consume food. Exercise. Physical activity. Explore. To investigate. Examine. To look closely. Escape. To get away. Erase. To remove marks. Enter. To go inside. Exit. To go outside. Encourage. To support someone. Explain.